ये सब कुछ जो हो रहा है, is it only diet or do you think it's other elements that are involved?
Okay, so with diet, that plays a big role, right? So you can manage symptoms of autoimmune condition and gut dysfunction with diet really well. But one thing that I feel like really influences the prevalence of autoimmune या gut issues जो इतने ज़्यादा हो रहे हैं is the environmental conditions and toxins that we are exposed to. जिस तरह खाने के अंदर in terms of GMO seeds, pesticide use, fertilizers बहुत prevalent हो गया पाकिस्तान में and हमारे यहाँ regulation बहुत खराब है on these things. And then even just things like what pots and pans you're cooking in. हर कोई silver और aluminum में पका रहा है. It's a major endocrine disruptor. Cancer causing. So it's very मतलब it's become very prevalent कि लोगों की daily life में बहुत ज़्यादा toxin exposure हो चुका है. So that's also one aspect that one needs to look at कि क्या चीज़ आप control कर सकते हो क्या नहीं. Even something like a perfume, by the way. Perfumes have so many endocrine disruptors in them. Nail polish. तो हम कितना ये use कर रहे हैं आप कितना they are major endocrine disruptors and they can cause serious hormonal imbalances in women and also contribute to autoimmune conditions.
अब तो सिर्फ nail polish नहीं रही ना, पता नहीं वो क्या acrylic उसके ऊपर पता नहीं क्या coating,
everything and specifically perfumes even are very so when a woman is suffering from hormonal imbalances or autoimmune, even functional medicines abroad with medicine practitioners abroad will tell you don't use perfumes while we're treating you. And they'll say कि natural alternatives जो हैं like nature based fragrances जो हैं जिनमें कम chemicals हैं वो use करें. So when you get around to thinking about it, हमारी पूरी life में आप सुबह से अपनी routine को note करें आपका पानी किस में stored है प्लास्टिक में, right? जो main चीज आपकी body में 70% आप पानी है और वही जो जा रहा है उसके अंदर इतने ज़्यादा microplastics आते हैं तो आप सोचें कि there is a reason why these conditions are so prevalent. Even if you think about cancer.
So basically जितना हम पहले वो मिट्टी का घड़ा था उसको हमने replace कर दिया प्लास्टिक से.
हाँ और प्लास्टिक बोतलें फ्रिज में भर के डाल रहे हैं. Like where do you stop? पहले तो copper vessels भी थे, मिट्टी के घड़े भी थे, शीशा भी आप चलो कर लो. शीशा So the list is endless, sadly, and then our emotional well-being. मतलब हम लोग बस भाग-दौड़ में लगे हुए हैं. आधे लोगों को people don't know how to slow down, connect with nature, rhythm क्या है nature की, love और respect for nature भी गायब हो गए तो connection अपने से भी क्या होगी जब आप nature से disconnected हो तो as a society आप अपने आप से disconnected हो. अल्लाह मियाँ ने भी कुरान में लिखा है look around the symbols in nature. This is where you learn from. We've stopped going outside. We've stopped.
We don't feel safe walking outside.
We've stopped going outside. Our cities are not developed in a way that we can be outside.
Walking.
We have pollution outside. We don't favor lifestyles that are built around nature and integrating with nature anymore. It's very sad.
Does it become difficult for you as a nutritionist or a person when you're cooking or growing your own things, do you feel like it's easy or do you think it's difficult? Being in this environment, like as you were saying कि मैं खुद ही अपनी gardening करती हूँ, herbs grow करती हूँ. Do you think it's easy in this subcontinent or in Pakistan to grow your own things, to do all these things? Is there knowledge or the awareness?
No, it's very easy because आपको यहाँ पे माली बहुत cheap labor है. माली क्या है? Like you get a good माली, आपको अच्छे माली के support पे मिल जाते हैं. Then if you have even containers at home, even if you put pots के अच्छे मैंने अपनी पालक खुद लगानी है अपना, like some leafy greens that you're getting that are organic. That's enough. Like maybe per season, if you have one leafy green that you can grow for yourself, and one herb like a parsley or a basil that you can get antioxidants from, why not? I mean, it's very easy. मतलब इसमें कोई मुश्किल बात नहीं है because यहाँ पे labor cheap है. Even if you're a busy person, like I'm a working person, you can do it. It's just about management. Obviously, जितनी आप चीजें add करते हो life में मुश्किल लगता है. It is stressful. I find it hard. I have a kid also. It's not always easy. But I think हमारा climate conducive है, weather conducive है, soil conducive है, labor भी है. So if you get around to it, you can do it. आपके पास अगर थोड़ी सी भी जगह है घर पे, अगर आप 4 गमले लगा लो for that 3 months के अच्छा मैंने पालक के पत्ते ले सीड्स ले लिए या मैंने स्विच चार्ट लगा लिया थोड़ा सा, ये सीड्स मिल जाते हैं.
Yeah, and I think iceberg, broccoli, they're so easy to
broccoli,
Yeah.
there's certain things जिनकी production थोड़ी कम होती है, but obviously, but you learn, you're like,
Yeah.
अच्छा ये चीजें तो ज्यादा मिल जाएंगी और at least कुछ antioxidant rich चीजें जिनमें because leafy greens especially इनमें बहुत ज्यादा pesticide लगता है. So that's a whole different conversation, but it is getting a little bit easier because people are wanting more of it, they're willing to pay for it. It's also about like, अच्छा, you put in so much effort, then are you also going to get meet the cost for it?
I think awareness, जिन लोगों में awareness बढ़ रही है, understanding बढ़ रही है, because I think overall people are also thinking about these.
Yeah, they are.
And I think when I came to your shop, I loved what you have, and I was like, oh, thank God she has these things available here. And then gluten biscuits, and there's different types of things that the teas are amazing, the oils are there. So the fact that now there is a certain market or a certain niche or a people who are looking for these things, who are now making these things, and they're available to have and eat and enjoy. So I think, and one can explore and go into the direction of gardening, because it's not that difficult. हमारे माएँ करती थी यहाँ पुदीना धनिया लगभग घरों में लगा होता था. Basic चीजें थी जो I think we have to start from somewhere, and I think starting is the key. कि आप करें, बस डरे नहीं, करें.